Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. If you can understand English, but feel nervous or stuck when you try to speak, this episode is for you.
Yes, many people think they are bad at English, but the truth is, you're not bad. You just learned English in a way that didn't train speaking.
Today, we'll talk about why this happens and how you can start speaking English with more confidence.
Most people learn English by listening and reading.
Movies, YouTube, classes, books, all of that helps understanding.
But speaking is different. Speaking needs practice with your mouth, not just your brain.
It's like knowing the rules of swimming, but never going into the water. Let's talk about fear.
Fear of mistakes, fear of grammar, fear of people judging you.
Many learners wait until they are perfect to speak.
But perfect English does not exist.
Native speakers make mistakes every day.
Speaking is not an exam, it's communication. Another big problem is translating in your head.
You think in your language first, then translate to English.
That makes speaking slow and stressful.
Simple English is powerful English.
You don't need long sentences. Short and clear is better.
Tip 1. Speak alone first. Talk to yourself.
Describe what you're doing.
I'm making tea. I'm opening my laptop.
Tip 2. Don't correct every mistake. Fluency first, accuracy later.
If people understand you, you are doing great.
Tip 3. Speak every day.
10 minutes every day is enough.
Consistency is more important than confidence.
If you feel shy, that's normal.
If you feel slow, that's okay.
Learning a language takes time.
You are learning, you are improving, even if you don't feel it.
Thank you for listening today.
Speak a little every day.
Be kind to yourself and don't give up.